Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and short video, because I'm not planning to be here for too long, I need to be somewhere, but I need to just share with you how we can transform one other scalping strategy into a forex robot. The videos on this channel are meant to just show you the direction that you probably need to take. Basically, I'm giving you the basics, and then from there, hopefully, you can also play with all the other tools that are offered by this EA builder that we use, which is called FXDREEMA. So basically, the purpose is to just show you the direction that you probably need to be taking if you want to turn your own strategy into a forex robot that you can either use for yourself or that you can sell to other people. Many of the forex robots that are also being sold out there, I've seen they were actually made in FXDREEMA, so it's very possible if you have a good strategy to turn that strategy into a forex robot, and you can basically sell it to many other traders out there. So today we have this strategy. It's called I think it uses parabolic SAR and the MACD. So it's basically a parabolic SAR MACD forex scalping system by Thomas Sani or whatever. So it's designed for MetaTrader 4, whatever, and uses three trading popular indicators. I think there's some English there, but anyway, it provides a short-term trading signals for any currency pair. So you can basically use this strategy for any currency pair. That's what he says. And the system only trades in overall direction of the short-term trend. Okay. And time frame for using this strategy, he says it's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. So because we are lazy traders, we don't want to be watching our charts and waiting for this and this to align and stuff. So we're just going to attempt to turn this into into a forex trading robot. So the indicators that we're going to need is a moving average 110, simple or smooth, simple moving average, parabolic SAR 00, this is the default parabolic SAR, as well as the MACD colored. I think we just use the normal MACD unless you can find source code for a colored MACD, then you can basically import that into your FXDREEMA. I've previously showed you how you can import your custom indicators into FXDREEMA. Then is used mainly to trade London and US trading sessions. So the rules basically MACD must cross the zero line. The SAR dots must be below the market price, obviously, and stop loss is 1 pip below the most recent support area. We'll just calculate that. Take profit objective is around 25 pips. That's basically it. So that's basically this strategy. That's basically what it's about. So basically the opposite was also for the sales. Okay, so how are we going to turn this into a forex robot? First of all, it says we need a moving average. Price must be above the moving average 110. Okay, so first of all, we are going to have our filter there. We're just going to have one spare bar, that's our filter, and we're going to have another filter. We're just checking that the robot has not placed any other trades prior. Then we just have one spare bar because we don't want the robot to take 1,000 trades. Then the condition, the first condition that we have is that we need our candles to be above the 1,000 moving average. So let's just look into that. We are going to have our candles above above the candles that we are looking at for the signal is going to be above moving average 110, and it's simple moving average as it puts it here, simple moving average, and we just tick that so that we can be able to change that also in FX in MetaTrader 4 without coming back to FXDREEMA. Then we just update and we just link that. So that's basically the first condition. Then we need the MACD to be above the zero line. Then we are going to again add our MACD condition and double click in there, and indicator, we're going to look for the MACD. MACD needs to be above 0 and numeric 0. So that's that for our MACD. You can maybe tick this so that you can change the values of the MACD on MetaTrader 4 side without coming back to FXDREEMA. Then it says we need the parabolic sub obviously to be below. So let's look for the parabolic sub. We are going to look for indicator is visible. I think we are going to use this block. Then indicator, we are going to look for parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR with default settings. With default settings, that's what we have. I think step is 0.02. That's step. I think that's the default setting there. So yeah, basically that's about it for us. Then with that we can add our buy now. We can add our buy now. I'm just giving you the basics of how you need to approach this. Then obviously you double click and go in there, and that's how much we are going to buy, which is minimum lot size, and we can change this. What did he say about take profit? 25 pips. Take profit will be around 25 pips. Maybe just have a similar stop loss, and we update. Then we are just going to put the conditions for the cells. So we are just going to highlight everything and copy so that we don't start from scratch, and we just paste, and we're just going to link everything like that and do it like that. And then we're going to double click and go in there. Now we want price to be below this below the moving average. So our candles needs to be below the moving average, and we go in there, and our MACD needs to be below the zero line. We just update. Then obviously the parabolic SAR, we don't need to change anything here, and we do that, and we add a sell now button block there, and we just click on there, we click on there, we click on there, and we just do like that, and we just again make it something like that. Basically we have the makings of our strategy here. We have the makings of this strategy. That's how you would make it into a robot. And obviously we would probably want to protect ourselves with a trailing stop, so we'll basically drag that and we link everything together, and we just make sure that everything is neat and tight there. We want our stop loss maybe to be behind by 20 pips for every pip that moves in our direction, and we do that. That's basically groundwork. That's the groundwork for our parabolic SAR MACD forex scalping system. That's how you would do it in FXDREEMA. And basically we just maybe copy this, maybe let's just copy that, and we come here and we do it, and we change the name of our robot. Maybe undo because it didn't copy properly. Let's Control C, and again let's do Shift Control V. Yes, then done. Then basically you can download your robot as an executable file or as the source code, like that. So yeah, I hope this gives you an idea of what you need to do, and points you in the right direction if you are having a similar idea for a forex robot. Otherwise, guys, I see some of you guys are leaving requests in the videos. I'll definitely get to them. It's just that I had scheduled these videos, so I need to get them out of the way. Then I'll also get to your videos. I have not forgotten you. I'm not ignoring you, and as long as your strategy is understandable and I can clearly understand, because some of the requests that I've seen, you are not exactly clear about what the person is saying. Apologies if you're not an English speaker, or I do apologize. I mean no offense, but sometimes the things that you are saying, they are not so clear, so I cannot really understand what you are trying to achieve. But anyway, guys, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you in the next videos. If you are looking to download the other robots and indicators and stuff that people are selling out there, everything that we do on this channel is definitely for free, so you can download all those things for free here. The links are in the description box below, as well as the broker that I use, one of the best brokers in the world. And you can open a trading account for just $5, which is good for testing these robots. And if you find that this robot is working, then obviously you can give it more money and see what it does. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next videos. Bye.